fingers in one line. Ekapada Prasarinasana, right leg back, look up. Dvipada Prasarinasana, or Dandasana. Next, Shashankasana. Come up. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shashankasana. Ekapada Prasarinasana, right leg forward. Pada Hastasana. Slowly come up for Hastasana. Om Ravaye Namaha. Come. Wait. Ready. Chatvari. Pancha. Pancha Shashankasana. Shat. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Sapta. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Ashta. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Nama. Shashankasana. Dasha. Ekapada Prasarinasana. Ekadasha. Pada Hastasana. Slowly come. Om Suryaya Namaha. Now inhale Urdhvasana. Exhale Uttanasana. Inhale Ekapada Prasarinasana. Exhaling Dvipada Prasarinasana. Inhale we stop. Exhale Shashankasana. Inhale come up. Exhale Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale knees down. Exhale Shashankasana. Inhale right leg forward. Ekapada Prasarinasana. Exhale Pada Hastasana. Inhale come up. Again head off Namaskar Stuti. Om Bhanave Namaha. Utthasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasarinasana. Dvipada Prasarinasana. Shashankasana. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shashankasana. Ekapada Prasarinasana. Pada Hastasana. Om Khagaya Namaha. Urdhvasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasarinasana. Dvipada Prasarinasana. Shashankasana. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shashankasana. Ashva Sanchalanasana. Pada Hastasana. Namaskar. Relax for a while. right leg back. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Exhale. Left leg back. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, knees down. Exhale, Shashankasana. Inhale, right leg forward, Ekapada Prasaranasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namah.
Long deep breath. Raise your hands. Look back. Then forward. Exhale. Again breathe in. Right leg back. Look up. Now both legs back. Look front. Relax. Normal breathing. Close your eyes. Now from front, hold your breath. Only your 8 parts should be touched on the floor. Now raise your knee, look back, Bhujangasana, very good. Forward, that is Parvatasana. Again relax, Vitsasangasana. Breathe in, left leg back. Breathe in, breathe out, forward. Breathe in, backward. Namaskaram. Breathe in. Om Hari Marichaya Namaha. Namaha. Urdhasana. Padhastasana. Ashvasanchalasana. Dandasana. Sasangasana. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Sasangasana. Ashvasanchalasana. Padhastasana. Hasta Uttanasana. Namaskarasthiti.
Om Adityaya Namaha. Utthasana. Uttanasana. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Vipada Prasaranasana. Shashankasana. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Shashankasana. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Pada Hastasana. Om Savitri Namaha. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Ekapada Prasaranasana. Breathe out. Vipada Prasaranasana. Breathe in, knees down. Breathe out. Shashankasana. Breathe in. Breathe out. Sashtanga Namaskarasana. Breathe in. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Breathe out. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in. Knees down. Breathe out. Shashankasana. Breathe in. Right leg forward. Breathe out. Left leg forward. Now breathing, come up.
Om Alkaya Namaha. ಹಸ್ತಪಾದಾಸನ, ಏಕಪಾದ ದಂಡಾಸನ, ಶಶಂಕಾಸನ, ಅಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣಿಪಾತಾಸನ, ಭುಜಂಗಾಸನ, ಉದರಾಸನ, ಪರ್ವತಾಸನ, ಶಶಂಕಾಸನ, ಏಕಪಾದ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನಾಸನ, ದ್ವಿಪಾದ ಹಸ್ತಪಾದಾಸನ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಾಸನ.
ॐ हर भास्कराय नमः। भास्कराय नमः। Breathe in, हस्त उत्तानसना. Breathe out, पादहस्तासना. Now Ashvasanchalasana. Relaxation. Now Dandasana, exhale. Then Sasangasana. Hold your breath. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Raise your knee. Bhujangasana. Forward. Exhale. Parvatasana. Again relaxation. Sasangasana. Breathing. Left leg back, look up, Ashvasanchalasana, forward bending, Padahastasana, back bending, Hasta Uttanasana, Namaskara Sthiti.
Now, lie down on your abdomen. Relax in Makarasana. Knees facing each other. Separate your feet. Chin on the cross palm. Relax. Relax until your breathing comes to normal. Observe your breathing. Relax each and every part of your body.